Hello guys, this is FK, and today we're going to talk about WhatsApp. We're going to talk about WhatsApp. Everybody's favorite, I believe everybody's favorite instant messaging application. WhatsApp. What is wrong with WhatsApp? What is going on in the land of WhatsApp? Which product manager did they get that just feels that everything needs to change? Like, you could bet that before the recent changes, WhatsApp probably had not changed for like over a year. Like, you didn't really see anything new. It was just straight bland WhatsApp. You do what you want to do, you get out. But these days, we're seeing so many changes, and a lot of them have been quite annoying. I think the very first one I saw, and then I didn't even we were innocent then. We didn't even know that anything was going on. The first one I saw was the navigation bar. They started testing out this new nav bar, this new menu bar. So they moved it down. They moved the typical chat, status, and what was the last thing I can calls. Yeah, they moved it down and gave it different icons. So I had it on I have two WhatsApp. I operate two WhatsApp on two different phones. So I had it on one phone. I didn't have it on another phone. So that was first weird because it messed up all my muscle memory of swapping between the different tabs. So yeah, they did that, and before I knew it was gone. It went back to the previous navigation bar. Then it appeared on my other WhatsApp. It appeared on my WhatsApp. It spent like 2 months there, moved back up. Still weird, more like an A/B testing kind of thing. And they started releasing some new features. That not WhatsApp message notification that comes. Some new features like locking chats. And that was cool. Yeah, lock chats and stuff. Nothing weird at that point. Until they just started changing the silliest things. First, they started doing sentence case for their messages, like typing. When you say typing, it used to be the small letter T. Change to capital all of a sudden. Even with online or online, offline, that was there too. Then the search bar. The search bar, if it's not broken, don't change it. They moved the search bar down, and it has just been weird. And I think I saw recently that some people on iPhone are not experiencing this, but Android users, you know what I'm talking about. And there's even this weird margin thing that seems like a bug with the search bar. Like, it's so close to the top. There's no breathing space between the search bar and the tabs at the top. Then I started seeing someone posted a status, and I was like, oh yeah, send me this video, because I watched the full video on the person's status. I sent me this video, and by the time he sent me the video, it was 1 minute, and I watched the full video on his status, and I was like, how did you do this? How did you put this 1 minute video in your status? He himself didn't even know until he checked it and discovered, wow, this is actually 1 minute. Do we now have minute-long status updates? I guess we do. Then communities, I don't even know what that's all about. I don't know what that's all about because I don't know. I see the same people I follow on YouTube, the same people I follow on Twitter. Now they want me to follow them on WhatsApp. They want me. It's just that one. And I've not even seen. I think I've been added to one community. I think I ran out of the community last week. I don't even know what communities are all about. I don't even know what they're doing there because even the community that I was added to, it was just so confusing. It was said there was a community, then inside the community you had different groups and stuff like that. So it was all weird. Like, who asked for all this? Who is that? And there's this neon lights, there's this neon coloration. Everything is just chaotic right now. And the biggest of all, Meta AI. Yeah, Meta AI. For people that are coming from Snapchat, they have already been used to talking to Snapchat AI. So they educated us that this is actually more like AI that you get to chat with, get your board. But Meta AI seems to be more powerful. It can generate images, it can do all sort of stuff that generative AI can do. So it's more like it's like Facebook bringing the old ChatGPT thing into WhatsApp. And with all this, you can't help but ask, why? That's the question as everybody has been asking. Why all this? And it's even annoying. Like, things are changing. My brother was complaining to me that he had an update whereby he couldn't even see the time on status again. That you can't see the time his status was posted. Well, you're looking at post status, you don't know who posted it 30 minutes ago. You don't know. Like, I've not even experienced that. That will really, really get me mad if that happens. Removing some things that we enjoy, and some things don't even work anymore. Like, I noticed now, if you put a YouTube link on your status, that old preview that shows the thumbnail of the YouTube is just blurred. It's blurred now. Like, a lot of basic things that were working before are no longer working. Kind of like what I started experiencing with Canva when they added Canva AI. Canva AI is all good, but some basic things just stopped working. And even the Canva, the speed of Canva just became very, very slow. So, like I said, everybody will be asking why. Why? And I have a theory. Yeah, I have a theory. Now, this is my theory. Why we are seeing all these changes and all these updates. I think we are getting close to the point where we will start paying for WhatsApp. Yep. We are getting to the point where we will start paying for. Oh, you thought that guy gave you all that for free? No, nobody gives you. WhatsApp supports over 3 billion users. Do you know how much infrastructure that requires? You think that is for free? No. They've always been looking for a way to monetize WhatsApp. Facebook has always is the long-term goal of any application to monetize, and I think they are beginning to add features, and a lot of features will come as upsell features. Like some things are going to be new, some things are going to be expanded capabilities. Like, for example, being able to post 1 minute status. Probably they will give us the ability to put 30 minute status, so that we can now start posting seasonal movie on our status. So some of the upsell features are going to be expanded versions of what we already have, and some are just going to be totally new. So they are going to bring all these new features. And why you might then ask, well, they're already bringing it, they're just bringing all this stuff. We didn't ask for it. They're bringing it. They're giving us the Meta AI. You've probably been using the Meta AI. I also love to check it out. And you'll be like, but we're already using these things. Why are they going to charge for it? It's because, just like any smart product, they want us to get hooked first. Yeah. You get hooked on those things first. Then they start charging for it. Yeah, then they start charging for it. AI is not free. Even Meta AI, the Meta AI in WhatsApp, it can generate images, it can compose poems, it can even compose, if you're going for a presentation, it can even compose the presentation. Like if you're in your car and you need to make a presentation where you're going, it can compose that, it can generate that for you. AI, all those things are not cheap. Mark Zuckerberg is not buying H100s that cost like 30,000 per piece and buying tens of thousands of them just to give you, free, to make you generate your favorite cartoon or make you generate your ideas. No, you're going to have to pay for all those things. So Facebook is getting to, or Meta, they're getting to a point whereby they're going to monetize WhatsApp. That's my theory, and that's why they're including all these features and getting us hooked on them. We are on a free trial that we didn't ask for. Yeah, we are on a free trial that we didn't ask for. And once they see that we are hooked, they're going to pull that rug off under our legs and ask us to pay for it. More like similar to what we are doing now, what Elon Musk is doing with X. What Elon Musk is doing with Twitter right now. So similar to that. So if they are monetizing, I have some features that I predict. I have some predictions. Yeah, I have some features that I predict are going to come to WhatsApp if truly. This is my theory, which I think at this point I can bet like 60%, because I've been in tech space for a long time. I've been I've also worked in product department of different companies, and I know how this story goes. I know how this story goes. Guys, you're going to start paying, but you're going to definitely pay for what you want, and the free version of WhatsApp will still always be there. Definitely, everything we used to enjoy before will still be there. It's only those that want all those new features, all those upsell features, that are going to have to pay. So one of the features I predict is going to come. One of the features I predict is going to come to WhatsApp is verification. Yeah, accounts might start being verified on WhatsApp, and that will most likely be a good thing, because all these scams that go on these days. Someone will just hack your WhatsApp, find a way to use social engineering to get you to send them your verification code, and before you know it, they start asking money from your in-laws and all your family members. So we might start having verifications, and Meta will find a way for you to be able to verify your account. You have verified accounts, so people only chat with your verified accounts, because Meta has a way that they have made sure that this is always you. This is not somebody trying to pretend to be you. That it's you. The verification process will have taken care of that. So that's one thing. Another thing I foresee is that they might add payment facilities. Yeah, they might add payment facilities. I believe that Facebook is most likely tending WhatsApp towards WeChat. WeChat in China is big. It is a super app. Yeah, it's a super app. You can Google what a super app is. WeChat is a super app. It does almost everything. Everything you want is inside. You can book your tickets, you can pay, you can e-commerce, everything is there. So I think they're tending WhatsApp towards that. So they might add it, they might not add it to the basic WhatsApp, they might add it to WhatsApp for business, but I very much believe that payments is coming to WhatsApp so that you can just easily sell stuff and collect payments instantly. So that's another thing. Probably even post something on your status, and all these guys that used to post cars, post clothes, and all this. You can just have someone pay for it straight. I don't know whether you want to pay for cars straight from your status. Whether that's a good idea. So yeah. So that's by the way. Another thing that I feel might be coming. Now this is just going out. This is just being crazy. But I've seen crazy things happen, so I don't doubt. Is the fact that what if Meta or Facebook starts paying people for how many people view, the number of people that view your status? Yeah, monetize status views. Yeah, if Elon Musk can be paying people for tweeting and paying them according to the amount of engagement and the eyes they can get on the adverts that run in their comment section and everything, yeah, why not? Why not? Some people are very popular on WhatsApp, and whenever they post any status, they have hundreds of people that view it. What if Meta does the same thing with WhatsApp? I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea. I think it's going to make the status business very crazy, and some people are going to be skipping your status because they feel I'm just giving you money and all that. So they might be doing that, or if they don't do that, this is one thing I feel they might do. If they don't they monetize your status in a particular way, or in the way I've described, there's something that is being done on Facebook right now. If you look at Facebook version of status, if you are scrolling through status, in between they sandwich these hearts. They sneakily sandwich some hearts. So if you are flipping the status, before you just encounter an ad, it's going to play and you can flip it, or you can decide to watch it and stuff like that. So I feel that most likely that might be coming to WhatsApp too, where when you're scrolling through your status, you just see some ads, and if people view those ads, probably the person that posted the status will be paid, or they will not just make it about, they will just put it in between. Like, let's say you watch someone's ads, watch someone's status, and after all those status, you're about to skip to the next person's status, they just sandwich an ad in between. So that you can't claim that your status made somebody to view that ad. That's if they are just trying to be sneaky and they don't want to pay you for actually putting people's eyes on those ads. So that's another thing that I feel might come to WhatsApp. But either way, I feel with all what we've been saying, I don't think WhatsApp is going to be the same again. I think something huge is coming to WhatsApp, and my theory is that Meta is about to monetize WhatsApp. If you have any other opinion, or you have any other thing to add, please come to the comment section. I want to learn, because I'm also trying to understand the Meta's method to all this madness. But like I said, whatever it is, WhatsApp is not going to be the same again, and yeah, we're going to find out soon. That's all I have to say on WhatsApp. If there's any updates, I will definitely talk about it again. Till then, I remain your bro in tech, FK.